This is a video for all of my subscribers to say thank you so much for your love and support after all these years. I've been making these follow along Gentle Somatic Yoga and somatic videos for a while now, and I've just been really touched as I see the comments come through every day from the follow along tutorials and just hearing how they've affected your life and your lifestyle. And I'm out in the desert right now. This is Tucson. This is where I'm living right now. And I was just thinking about how one of my values is lifestyle by design. And what I mean by that is that health and wellness is beyond just the physical body, the mental body. It also involves the other parts of ourself, the other parts of our mind, creativity, intuition, vacationing, hobbies, relationship, communication. That our whole self is involved in the experience of peace and well-being. So those are my values, and right now I'm just hiking right outside my front door actually, and there are some exciting upcoming events soon in case you'd like to join me in person. The first one is a Somatic Wellness and Adventure Retreat, which is going to be in Jalapa, Mexico. It's at the end of this month, the last week of March 2024, and then later this summer here in Tucson during Labor Day weekend. There's going to be something that I'm calling for the first time. I've been dreaming about it for years as a somatic summit. Other somatic movement educators and their partners, friends, family. I found a beautiful venue here that's a private horse ranch in August. Yeah, Labor Day. I mentioned that. Anyway, there's just a lot going on, and I just would love to keep deepening into the expanding somatic community that I feel worldwide. And I wanted you to feel my heart right now because I am feeling so much love and so much beauty through my eyes. And I'm just thinking of you as the viewer and how you've been staying in touch with me. And just know that it matters. It fuels me to hear from you and also to hear of your experiences. So let's keep communicating. Let's keep sharing experiences. And hopefully I'll see you real soon.